So, hello, a new video on DeFi. Um, a couple of days ago, I started with Splash. It's the drip clone on the Avalanche chain, and well, this is the status at the moment. The price $32, and if you look at the price tracker, it started off with I think it was $6. It went all the way up to almost $33. Then it dropped back quite a bit, but it recovered nicely. So at the moment, we are at $33 almost. Let's look at my team. Um, I think I deposited 35. I got rewarded because of my team. So I want to reward my team back with some airdrop, doing a live airdrop, see if that works. I've got available almost 6 now. Mm, and what you can do now is, okay, hydrate. So reinvest this amount, and that will be deposited into your deposit, which you cannot withdraw. So be careful for that. You earn 2% each day, which will be visible in this available. And claimed will be the amount of splash you claimed already. This is the max payout of which is 360%, but this will increase when you increase your deposit. This is the number of direct players, so this is the number of players in my team. This is the total, not of my total team, but the total players. What can I tell more about it? Well, of course you can buy and sell your splash in the well. Just put in the amount of AVAX you want to spend, hit buy, and here is it's the same. When you have splash in your wallet, fill in the amount of splash you want to sell and press sell. What I hear about people is you cannot sell 6.5, for example. You have to remove the decimal, and keep in mind that 10% tax is applied on the sell. That's also applied on the deposit, as you can see here. Okay, let's see what else. Well, this is the team I'm in, and if you want to be in my team, just fill in the address, my address, and press update. And the address you have to fill in, I will leave that underneath this video, but it will be this. And what you can also do, if you have a wallet address, you can look up that player. So if I go to fill in my address, I press go. You can see I have 14 directs and 28 people in the team, which means this is level 1 people wallets that are underneath my team, and those are other people that are level 2 or more. Those are my deposits. It's the net deposit. I mean, I never compounded or deposit anything, so that's why it's this. Airdrop sent received. I don't know why it's only one figure. It's, I think, that the total. Airdrop last sent. Okay, what about this? Here you have a team viewer, and what you can do is, okay, fill in an address of a player, and you can see that player's team. As you can see here, this is my team, all the addresses. Furthermore, what you can do is a direct airdrop, which means, okay, I airdrop to an address, just fill in an address and fill in the amount of splash you want to send to that wallet address, hit send. Furthermore, you have your team airdrop. It looks complicated, but it's not. I will show you. You fill in your address, and here you can select what you want to do. I want to divide the number of splash between all the matching players, of which can be selected with two filters. I will come to that later. Or only to 1, or only to 5, or so. If, for example, you select, okay, I want to dividend budget across 5 matching players, so what will be the match? Okay, that player should have at least 5 minimum directs, or none. In this case, I will select none, and here you can select the minimum net deposit. I don't know if you can enter a value. Okay, don't know why it's hanging at the moment. Let's refresh. Okay, go to team airdrop. See, here you can select as well the budget. You have to at least have some splash, because otherwise you get an error. Looks like you forgot to enter the budget amount. So let's fill in 03, run. Okay, and what it says, okay, number of recipients 13. So those 13 people, they match this filter I just entered. And here you also see what, if they are active or not, and how much splash they deposited. Select a random address. Okay, I don't know. Okay, 4. I don't know what. Maybe I have to press enter. Maybe I have to press run. No. So don't know what this means. But of course I have to claim this first, because otherwise I have no splash in my wallet. So I hit claim. You cannot claim, let's say, only 3. It's just all or nothing. Confirm. So hopefully I have 5.8 in my wallet now. Let's see. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Still claiming. It's confirmed. It's 0 now. Here you see I have 4.7. I think because you claim you also have to pay 10% tax. So that's why only 4.7 is within the wallet. Let's do an airdrop. Okay, use my address. I will do it to 5 people. I will do, let's say 3.5. So everybody will receive .7. The rest of it I will deposit back as an example. Okay, run. Here, those are the matching players. So congrats. It looks like 5. This one already has a lot. This one can use it, so congrats. But let's see if this works. Let's approve. Okay. Yes. Cheers. Okay. Then let's send. The entered amount is greater than your approval amount. Okay, where do I have to, what do I have to approve? Let's say 10. No. 5. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, maybe I had to wait. Send. Transaction confirmed. Okay. I see a difference with drip, because with drip you had to confirm each transaction. So what I will do is I can check what if it's actually sent to that address, to these addresses. So I will check this one. It had a deposit of 42.91. Let's see. Let's run it again. Okay, just press 1, run it again. Between matching players. Okay, yeah. Just do it again. Run. It had 41, 42. So I think it is added. What I can do is, okay, this one ends with 3E9. Okay, let's view. Let's use my address. Let's show 3. So this is this address, I will copy it, then I will go to the Avalanche, trace, select that address, hit return, an ECR20, and here you see, alright, it's from my address. He got 0.78 splash tokens, so it worked. It actually worked. Okay, so now I still have some splash balance. I will put it in my deposit. You can fill in your splash, or you can hit max, deposit. Okay, maybe remove some, deposit greater than the approve. Okay, so I probably need to approve each time I want. Okay, let's hit 1. Maybe we have the same problem here. No, approve. Okay, approve the transaction. Now it's not 59. So after my deposit, it should almost be 60 now. Deposit, pay some tax again, pay some transaction fee again, approve. So that was my last action. If you want to join Splash, and if you want to join my team, as said, fill in my address, which I will leave underneath this video, hit update, buy some Splash here, go to the tab, hit max, approve, deposit, and earn 2% daily. As you can see, almost 60. So that's it for today. Have a nice weekend.